Speak these words each morning to align with your highest self. I wake up in gratitude, ready to receive all the goodness life offers today. My mind is clear, focused, and open to inspired thought. My emotions are balanced. I choose peace, joy, and compassion. I honor my body as the sacred vessel that carries my spirit. I breathe in healing energy. I exhale all that no longer serves me. I radiate positivity, and I attract the same from the world around me. I am deeply connected to the earth, and I walk in harmony with it. I trust in the wisdom of the universe to guide my steps. I nourish my body with love, movement, and mindful choices. I speak kindly to myself and others, knowing my words carry power. I am a source of light, healing, and inspiration to those I meet. I release fear and embrace faith in the beauty of life's journey. I am aligned with abundance, spiritual, emotional, physical, and financial. Every cell in my body vibrates with health and vitality. I give thanks for this day, for this breath, for this life. Speak these words each morning to align with your highest self and universal abundance.